Welcome to 10th Standard Geography, Unit 1, India, Position and Extent. Dear students, you have already seen the video of social science textbook questions with the answers. If you want to see them again, click on the I button here. Let's begin. Answer the following questions. First one, name the 7 largest countries in the world. Answer is Russia, Canada, China, the USA, Brazil, Australia and India. These are the 7 largest countries in the world. Let's move to second question. Explain the administrative divisions of India. Answer is India is a democratic republic. Keeping in view the primacy of regional languages and the administration, India is divided into 28 states and 9 union territories, which includes the National Capital Territory of Delhi. Telangana is the new state. Among the states, Rajasthan is the largest state and the Goa is the smallest state. These are all about the administrative divisions of India. Let's move to question number 3. Mention the neighboring countries of India. Answer is Pakistan and Afghanistan are to the northwest. Nepal, Bhutan and China are to the north. Bangladesh and Myanmar are to the east. Sri Lanka to the southeast. These are all the neighboring countries of India. Let's move to question number 4. Explain the extent of India. Answer is India is the 7th largest country in the world. It has a total area of 32,87,263 square kilometers. It accounts for only 2.42% of the world's total area. The east to west extent of India is over 2,933 km and from north to south extent is 3,214 km. These are all about the extent of India. Let's move to question number 5. Name the major latitudes and longitudes that pass through India. Answer is the Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree north latitude, 82.5 degree east longitude. These two are the major latitudes and longitudes that pass through India. Question number 6. Explain the water frontiers of India. Answer is the mainland of India has water frontier of about 6,100 km. The total length of India's coastline, including the Andaman and Nicobar Islands as well as Lakshadweep Islands, is 7,516.5 km. The Arabian Sea in the west, the Indian Ocean in the south, and the Bay of Bengal in the east form the water frontiers. These are all about the water frontiers of India.